Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I tried following my one of the favorite YouTuber Payel Deshmukh Infinite Beauty makeup tutorial on easy red lip winter makeup look for beginner, and I will follow all the techniques what she used in this tutorial, but I don't have the same product, so please forgive me. And one thing I want to tell you all that I don't want to be look like her or copying her because I'm totally different from her and I'm just using her technique. So if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without any ado, let's get started.
It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. My head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
So yeah, that's all. This is my finished look. So hope you like my this look. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.